Welcome students. Today we will do noun. Noun, you must be knowing naming words. Okay. So let's see the definition of noun. What is noun? Name of person, place, animal or things is called noun, or you can say naming words. So let's see some examples. Fan, chair, boy, Taj Mahal, Delhi. So all are the names, okay? Name of things and all are naming words. Now the kinds of nouns. So different kinds of nouns are, number 1 is common noun. Number 2 is proper noun. Number 3 is collective noun. Number 4 abstract noun, and number 5 is material noun. So that means there are 5 kinds of nouns. So first of all, I will tell you what is common noun. Okay, let's see. So what is common noun? Name of a class of a person, place or thing are called common nouns. Okay, understand, name of a class of a person means if a boy, so there are so many boys in the world. Okay, so boy is a common noun. Copy, so many copies you will get. So copy is a common noun. School, common noun. Parent, common noun. Towel. So these are common nouns. Now let's see what is proper noun. Proper noun, name of particular or specific person. Okay, place or things are called proper noun. Okay, which is proper, which is unique in the world, which is only one single, that is a proper noun. Okay, so see the example, Delhi. Delhi is one, and Delhi is the capital of India, so it is a proper noun. Mount Everest, now only one Everest, okay, in the world, so it is a proper noun. Ravi is a name of a particular student or boy, so Ravi is a proper noun. Taj Mahal, yes, it comes in the 7 wonders of the world. So Taj Mahal is a name, it is a proper noun. Now next is abstract noun. Okay, what is abstract noun? Name of qualities, ideas, emotions, states and such things which we cannot see or touch. Okay, pay attention, which we cannot see or touch. We can only feel it. If your idea, whatever you are thinking, your emotions or whatever your qualities you have, which we can only think, we cannot see or touch, that is a abstract noun. Okay, let's see the examples. Kindness, can we see the kindness? No. Beauty, yes, beauty you can feel that, but you can see someone, but you can feel that something is very beautiful. So beauty is a common noun. Honesty, can you see the honesty? No, you can feel the person's honesty. Bravery, wisdom, happiness, so all are abstract nouns. Now let's see what is something about abstract nouns. Okay, what is there in the, remember, abstract nouns are usually singular, but some of them can be used in the plural also. For example, joys, memories, ideas. So these are about the abstract nouns. Now next, let's see what is collective noun. Okay, now this is the 4th kinds of noun. Collective noun, collection of, collective means collection of things. You see, collection of things or person are called collective nouns. For example, pack of cards, gang of robbers. Gang of robbers means when there are so many robbers in a group, we used to say gang. So gang is a word which is a collective noun. Gang. A bouquet of flowers, when so many flowers we collect and it's make a bouquet, and so bouquet word is a collective noun. Okay, queue, audience, shoal, family, staff, troop, so many collective nouns are there. Okay, now next let us see what is material noun. Okay, so name of materials or substance is called material noun. So many things are there. substances or materials which we are using, all comes in the category of material noun. Okay, like gold we are wearing, air around us we breathe, that is also material noun. Cement, milk, water, which we cannot measure, we can measure with, isn't it? But we can measure water, oil, liquid things, gold, silver, all are material nouns. Now next is some exercises I have given here. Let's see the different kinds of nouns in this exercises. So number 1 is Dhoni is a good batsman. So just now I told you before the proper nouns, yes, and remember all the proper nouns always start with the capital letter. Okay, see, Dhoni is a name of a cricketer, so D is it is a first letter of a sentence, but if Dhoni comes in the middle of the sentence also, then also D will be in the capital letter. Okay, so Dhoni is a good batsman. Dhoni here is a proper noun. He has good knowledge of cricket. Cricket is a name of a sport. Okay, Ravi is a man of great wisdom. Ravi is a name, it's a proper noun. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Here, Mount Everest is a proper noun. So, what is given here? Let's see. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter. Yes, just now I told you all the proper nouns begin with capital letters. Now, next, some more exercises are there. A flock of sheep. Yes, a troop of monkeys, a swarm of flies, a team of players, a troop of dancers. So all the underlined words all are collective nouns. Okay, don't forget. Now let's see. Some more exercises are there of abstract nouns. Yes, Mother Teresa is known for her kindness. Noor Jahan is famous for her beauty. India got freedom in 1947. His knowledge about cricket is more than me. So all the underlined words are abstract nouns. Okay. Okay then, understand? I think you might have understand all the exercise, all the kinds of nouns. Okay children, till then, goodbye. Thank you.